In today's video, I will show you how to solve the port issue in the NodeMCU. I mean ESP8266 port issue and not able to uploading the program using ArduinoIDE. Many of the people facing these issues. It may be useful for them. Please watch full video to make this project. First, connect your NodeMCU board with your laptop or computer. Copy the link and paste in preference area. Go to the board manager and install the ESP8266 board in your Arduino IDE. Search the device manager in search box. Your port should be visible under port's location, but it may not be visible under port area. But it is showing in other device location with warning symbol. It means your device driver is not installed properly. So, we need to install the driver manually. Install the CH340 driver exe file. Now your CH340 driver installed successfully. Now you check the driver status under port area in Device Manager. Now your port number is visible and your board is ready to upload program. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. Done uploading message will be appear in downside area. It means that your program is successfully uploaded to your board. I have uploaded LED blinking program as per my program. LED is blinking properly and my project is working properly. Thank you for watching this video.